Namaste everybody. My name is Yogi Vivek Rawat and I welcome you all to this online teacher training course. I'm going to explain the Pranayama techniques and their benefits. So I hope you enjoy this course. Namaste. Namaste to all of you. Welcome back to the 𝐘𝐸 session. 𝐘𝐸 or Pranayama this is called. So we will start today's session with the chanting of Om. So you can sit comfortably on your chair or wherever you are on your mat. And we will start with the chanting of Om 3 times. So sit comfortably and close your eyes. You can join your palms together once again. Inhale. Rub your palms together. Place your palms on your eyes. Activate your energy. Slowly bring your palms down. Open your eyes. Now in today's session we are going to talk about 𝐸𝐴. So we are going to talk about the one part of 𝐸𝐴 which is very important, especially if you are going to practice pranayama and meditation. It is very beneficial. How it is very beneficial? What are the benefits of it? What are the contraindications of it? What are the steps to do this procedure? We are going to discuss about that. So firstly, we are going to talk about this Jala Neti. Jala means water, Neti means cleansing. So this Jala Neti is quite important for us before starting any kind of asana and pranayama session. What it does, it cleanses our nasal passages. In daily lives, we keep on roaming around, we keep on living a kind of life, and we keep on gathering this kind of mucus and debris inside our nasal passages. If they are stuck there, it is very challenging for us to breathe freely. If we are not going to do that, if we are not going to breathe freely, then it is going to disturb our practice. So it is very important to clean the nasal passages properly. What it does, it makes you breathe freely, which allows you to perform your asanas perfectly. It allows you to increase the quality of the meditation, increase the quality of the pranayama. It also has been proved to reduce the level of anger, anxiety, depression if you perform it daily. So I have got this 1 cup of salty water. We're going to discuss about that, how much salt should be added. So firstly, the step we are going to have a look. So as you can see, I have got this pot, this niti pot we can call it, and I have got salty water, salty fresh water inside it. So we are going to perform firstly. So you can perform it while sitting in a squat position or while standing and bending forward with the bending knees, or you can also sit on the chair and you can perform it. For that, you need to lean forward slightly and you are going to grab your pot with your fingers like this. You can also grab it like this, but that is going to be some way awkward. You will see that. So from here, firstly you need to check which is your active nostril, because as it has been proved, our one side of the nostril is always dominated. So we are going to always start with that side. So while how to check that, you can just put index finger or back of the palm under your nostril and try to just forcefully exhale. So you will get that idea that which side of the nostril is more active, more dominated. If you cannot get that idea, which is very rare, if your both nostrils are flowing equally, still which is rare, then you can start with any side. Anyhow, you're going to finish it with the both nostrils, so it will equalize that. So you can start with the right side. So for that, make sure once you put it inside, you're going to breathe in and breathe out through the mouth, right? And from here, leaning forward, put the nozzle of the pot inside your right nostril properly. And while this, try not to talk to anybody, try not to focus anywhere, just be aware of this procedure. Let this salt water come through the left or the other side of the nostril. For that, again, you will put the nozzle inside the nostril like this. Be comfortable. It is very important to be comfortable while performing any kind of Shat Karma. From here, you can inhale through the mouth. Keep your mouth open. And you can tilt your head to one side so that this water is going to find its path to come out. So you're going to tilt the head to the one side, to the opposite side of the pot, so to the left side. And from here, lift the pot slightly up and allow the water to come out. Okay, so I am done with the one side. Same thing you are going to repeat with the other side. And make sure that whenever you are done with the one side and with the both sides, you are going to blow your nostrils, the air out hardly. But make sure you're not going to do that too much with too much force. Sometimes what happens when you do that, the water, it tends to travel to your ear passages also, and which is not a good sign. Sometimes for some people, those who have high blood pressure, if they also blow out too hard, then it is going to be awkward. So you're going to blow hardly, but make sure you're aware of that activity, aware of that procedure. After that, when you are done, always after this, try not to perform any kind of shavasana or back bend like it happens sometimes. Always try to do any kind of forward fold which allows the water to be thrown out. The child pose, balasana, is a very comfortable and nice posture for that. So you can be in balasana, child pose, for 3 to 5 minutes and allow the water to come out. Again, before starting any kind of pranayama, you can do some kind of forward folds, some small and smooth flow in the morning, so that the water can come out. So it is very important to let the water out. If it is stuck inside, you can have any kind of allergy, any kind of sinus issues in the future if you keep on performing it daily, and if you don't allow the water to come out after that. So after that, just a small slow flow you can perform so that the water can come out. Make sure that whenever you're going to start the pranayama session, you can start with some kind of kapalabhati, forcefully breathing out exercise, so that again the water is not getting stuck inside, it is being thrown out. If you perform any kind of deep breathing exercise, so if you just deep inhale, the water will go inside, and which is going to cause some kind of allergic issues to your nasal passages, which is also going to increase the case of sinusitis. So it is very important. What are the contraindications of this? Those people who have high blood pressure issues, they don't have to perform it daily. They can perform it thrice a week or twice a week, or if they are performing, they can perform while sitting down, where they feel more comfortable. If they're not comfortable while sitting down, they can perform it while standing up. And make sure whenever they are blowing the air out, they're not doing that too much harshly. Second thing is, those people who have any kind of blood issues, like their blood comes from the nostrils, they also can avoid it. It can cause some kind of itching issue, some kind of burning sensation, so they can avoid this. How much of salt should be added in this water? Make sure that the water is fresh, and you can add 1 teaspoon of salt in half liter of water. So this is the case. You should apply it before starting this Jala Neti. Now benefits, as I told you, there are so many benefits of this. It always keeps you rejuvenated. It always keeps you look young. If you are breathing well, you are again increasing the lifespan. It always allows you to do the practice very nicely and increasing the quality of the meditation, of the breathing exercises, the pranayama. So you can do it in the morning and in the evening time also. It also depends where you live. If you are living in a kind of area where the environment is very clean and you don't go generally outside, then you can perform it even once daily or like twice in a week. But if you just keep on going outside, you just keep on going amid the dusty area, so you can just perform it daily or maybe twice a day. After this, make sure that after this you're not directly going to the sleep, you're not going to shavasana, just you are performing balasana, child pose. So this is about the Jala Neti, which is a very nice Shatkarma practice, and it is done early in the morning. One more thing I would like to add here, the kind of temperature of water. Make sure that the water is not too much hot. You are keeping it at a temperature of, just imagine that you are going to feed it to your kid, to your child, and it is also drinkable. That kind of temperature it should be in. It should not be too much hot, it should not be too much down temperature, because if it is like that, it is going to have a kind of burning sensation. You will feel that. If it is too much hot, then it is going to be too much sensitive, since our nasal passages are too much sensitive, and we want this water to be in a normal temperature so that it is flowing and we are not getting the idea of that it is flowing there, because it is said that it has got the same amount of salt which is in our blood. So we don't get that idea that our blood is flowing anywhere. We don't feel that. It is just happening. So same thing like this. So this is about the Jala Neti, water cleansing or nasal cleansing we can call it. So I hope you have learned from it and you're going to apply it in your daily lives, and you're going to enjoy the benefits. You are going to stay healthy. So again, let's close this session by the chanting of Om. For that, sit comfortably on your mat, close your eyes and bring your palms together. Deep inhale. Again, rub your palms together. Place your palms on your eyes. Slowly, slowly bring your palms down. Bend your head forward. Namaste.